Wondering if Articulate Rise 360 can meet your e-learning requirements? Let us help you make that decision. Articulate Rise 360 takes the hassle out of multi-device accessibility. Say goodbye to time-consuming tweaking and hello to a responsive layout that fits perfectly on any device. Scaling up your e-learning development has never been easier. With Articulate Rise 360's customizable templates and real-time collaboration, you can deliver training at the speed of need. Worried about development costs? Don't be. Articulate Rise 360 supports reusability, allowing you to save time and money. With Articulate Rise 360, you can effortlessly host your courses on an XAPI-compliant LMS, ensuring a seamless learning experience. And guess what? You can also publish your courses on the web, providing access to everyone, anytime, anywhere. No need for an LMS. Busy learners? No problem. Articulate Rise 360 allows easy downloads for offline viewing, so learning can happen on the go. Language barriers? We've got you covered. Articulate Rise 360 facilitates easy translations, enabling seamless learning for global audiences. Our customer service, innovative rapid e-learning solutions, development quality, and social responsibility have enabled us to be rated among the best in the industry by eLearning Industry. What are you waiting for? Contact us today to revolutionize your training by cutting-edge micro-learning solutions.